Joshua.
Hello YouTube family, meet Joshua here. Joshua is just escorting me to just make a video about the train I'm about to show you. It's a steam train. Joshua, just say hello YouTube family.
Hello YouTube family.
Yeah, nice one. Thank you, Joshua. Yeah, so Joshua, tell me about this train. The train.
Yeah, for this train, for this engine to use your core.
Core?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So you use your core.
And water.
Yeah.
And the steam. That's what I know.
Yes.
Okay. Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah.
Let me just make a video of it so that we can show the people.
Yeah. So
that it's
you go this side so that you see
the other side.
Yeah.
So guys, this is a steam engine you see here. This was powered by coal, which was carried in the back over there, and then just water pumped into the tank. I don't know, this is the tank here, and then the steam and the piston and all that. You know, when it burns the coal, it produces steam, and that generates power to move this machine. And this is what they used to use in the colonial days, in the 1960s, 1940s, to, you know, for cargo, for passenger. So this is it. So this engine, this train here, do they use it as a restaurant?
Yes.
Or
And then you eat dinner.
in here?
Yeah.
How much is dinner in this room?
Now each person in Doran is 15.
215 per person to come and just have dinner here?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So today is Sunday. It's closed.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Monday to Friday.
when you run, should be Wednesday to Saturday.
Okay. So what kind of dishes do they serve in here?
Sorry?
What kind of food do they give to the people?
And food.
Oh,
Yeah.
fantastic. Okay.
And food. When you book it, then when you tell for that.
What you want?
Yeah.
Also you book it in advance?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic. Thanks for that information.
You see in the engine for diesel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So this
So
is...
right now you use diesel.
So does it move from here?
Yeah.
Oh, it does, eh?
Yes.
Okay, where does it go?
Force.
Vigfors?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. This is a technology of the 20th century and the 19th century, this, eh?
Yeah.
Coal, steam.
Yes.
Very nice. What a beauty. So guys, this actually moves. I thought it was just a museum, you know, antique or something, but he's telling me you can book your meal and then you come and have your meal here, and the train moves from here to Vigfors. So it's called Royal Livingstone Express. Look at that. What a beauty, what a splendor. And so it uses the diesel engine.
Yes.
What about the coal train? Does it move?
Yes.
It does?
Yes.
Wow, I'd like to see it in motion, you know. It should be a spectacular one. So this is the engine here. So guys, this is the engine that pulls all those coaches there. And it goes to Vigfors and back. You also got the old ones here, the other ones, yeah?
Yeah.
Do they do the repairs here?
Yes.
Who is the owner of this place?
This
Yeah.
This Bushak, but Bushak is lot. South Africa.
Okay.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
All right.
So this company, this is a lot.
South African company.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. This is nice.
So come and see.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they actually rehabilitating this one here.
Yes.
Wow. So it's going to come back to life. That one looks like it's not going to take long. It looks good. This one here.
This one uses your core.
Uses coal as well, yeah? I can see that one has even been painted. Look at that.
Yeah. So this is your core.
So this is the coal. It looks like rock. But that one burns, very powerful fire comes out from there, you know. And it steams up the steam, and then that generates power to move these machines. Very powerful. This is technology of the 19th and 20th century and beyond that. I think this was good technology. What do you think? Instead of just using diesel. I think this should bring back this technology. Me, I rather like this one, you know?
Yeah, yes, yes.
You know, because it's just water and coal.
Yeah.
But the only downfall with this one, it pollutes the air. That's the only downfall, you know? Otherwise, I think it was good. Wow. So this is just like the workshop where they're doing the repairs, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Look at that. Being rehabilitated. It's going to come back to life. This one here, look at that. That's like the engine. The steam pipes and everything there. Very powerful. I like this train, man. It looks very nice. Does it go any further than Vigfors?
Yes.
Wow. I mean, does it go any further than Vigfors?
Yes, you...
Go beyond Vigfors, does it go somewhere else?
No.
Just Vigfors and back?
Yeah.
All right, okay. They are bringing back this back to life.
So who is fixing them?
It's a South African company, according to what the brother says here. South African company.
This is all still engine. Where do you have things?
It's just amazing technology, eh? So it's going to come back good as new once they finish doing it, you know?
Yeah.
I like the way that one looks, the one that side.
Huh?
So guys, can you see this is Bush Truck Africa? Bush Truck Africa is a South African based company, and he is telling me that they're the ones that rehabilitate and recondition these engines and you know, put them back, bring them back to life. It's just an amazing skill, and I'm loving it, you know. So this steam engine, it works, yeah?
Yes.
It operates. Nice one. Look at this. Oh, this is lovely. So what does ZSR stand for? What does it mean? ZSR.
Zambian
Uh-huh.
Southern Railways.
Oh,
Yeah.
Zambian Southern Railways. Fantastic. Wow. So this coach is just about being painted.
Yes.
All right. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. For those who have subscribed, I say a very big thank you. If you're thinking of subscribing, please do so. And remember to give it a like, share, and also leave a comment and press that bell icon for more notifications. As for me, it's adios amigos, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you from wherever you're watching from. Bye.